Namaskar. Welcome to the part 6 of the lecture Spiritual Management for Engineers and Business Administrators of Industry with special reference to COVID-19 epidemic that has become pandemic. This is Dr. A.P.Rao, Vice President, Telecom Division, High Physics Laboratory, India Private Limited, MIDC Ranjangaon, Pune, Maharashtra. To see the recap of part 5, so far we have understood that the parascientific experimentation is not a physical experimentation but the experimentation with in its our own, and this experience our own body is the lab and the brain is the instrument. We perform spiritual science experimentation and start practicing applied spirituality, that is a management practice. We have seen that the spiritual management practices are of great use for the industries through which we can increase business success using natural energies, deeply grasp human interactions, and rapidly recharge physical body and the mind. We have concluded in the part 5 that the spiritual management approach can create special culture and work ethics among the employees and useful for all cadres of executives or team members for small or large business owners. The spiritual management is the innovative and revolutionary approach that is used for the success and financial prosperity of businesses, giving a modern and friendly image to management. Nowadays, the modern style of management, that is the spiritual management, is such that all employees are human first, then friends, and then workers. And the companies are enjoying the fruits of this friendly image of the management. Though the use of simple meditation techniques, individuals will develop a sharp mind, increasing their capacity to make accurate decisions and take care of critical business situations. Here, the meditation in management practices does not necessarily means chanting a shloka. It simply means observing complete process or situation with sharp mind and reaching to the most accurate decision. This spiritual management approach reveals how to handle situations that generate stress in the workplace, allowing employees to instantly recharge physically and mentally. While handling a situation when leader understands or knows bigger things, he shall not feel stress to reach to the appropriate decision. It is an approach to see and observe the happenings. Well, many companies have reported that they are able to create more favorable work environment through spiritual management. The spiritual empowerment of individuals results in the strengths, confidence, clarity of goals, and dynamism to handle the business situations. The gap can be bridged between management and the workforce to gain mutual respect, develop stronger relationships, enhance efficiency, and increase the productivity. In In a company following spiritual management practices, employees and employers share a closer relationship. Means the team leaders and other workers feel closer relationship and thus concernedness of all towards common goal that may be clearly visualized. The quality of work no wonder improves, and so is the concernedness of the employees towards the common goal of the company. Though some companies still shy away from stating openly about the spiritual management approach, many companies are coming forward to make an empathetic statement. Spiritual management does work and it fits perfectly in the new definition of the management. In fact, the management style of executives tells whether the company is following the spiritual management approach or not. There cannot be a tag, but simply a quoting that we observe spiritual management approach. This changes the working attitudes from top to bottom in the company. Spiritual management appears a new entrant in the field of business and management, placing everyone at as a human first and then the employee. Spiritual management is able to distinguish between the want and desire of the employee for better development of company and each individual therein. The leader of industry observing spiritual management approach clearly understands the difference between the wants and the desires of employees or workers. The authority has to understand that wants are always to be fulfilled. That is a hardcore need of a person. The desires are specific demands that may be fulfilled or given depending upon the situation. The spiritual management approach makes the leader understand which desires are appropriately possible to be fulfilled, since there is never ending loop of the desires. And this way we have finished the part 6. In the final and concluding part, we will be speaking the final comments about the spiritual management for engineers and business administrators of industry in the next part. Thank you. Thank you very much.